Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with MyFinances easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the MyFinances app on your device. Once the app loads, you'll see the main dashboard. Locate the Create Budget button on the screen and tap it. You will be prompted to choose a budgeting period, such as weekly or monthly. Select your preferred period and click Next. Next, input your total income for the budgeting period. Be sure to include all sources of income you receive. Scroll down to the Expense Categories section. Here, you will see predefined categories like housing, transportation, and groceries. You can adjust these categories by adding new ones if necessary. Input your estimated expenses for each category. Take your time to ensure every expense is accounted for. Once all expenses are entered, review the totals. The app will automatically calculate your remaining balance. If your expenses exceed your income, consider adjusting your budget. You can either reduce certain expenses or increase your income. After finalizing your budget, click Save. Your budget will now be stored for easy access. To track your spending, navigate back to the main dashboard. Select the Track Spending option. Input your expenses as they occur over the budgeting period. Make it a habit to update the app regularly. At the end of your budget period, review your spending versus your budget. This will help you understand spending habits. Make necessary adjustments for the next budgeting period. Continuously tracking will enhance your budgeting skills over time. Congratulations, you are now ready to effectively manage your finances with MyFinances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.